Hold out your hand and make a fist. Seems pretty small, right? But what if I told you that this small gesture holds a profound significance? When you look at your fist, it might seem like just a simple part of your body, but in the grand scheme of things, it represents something much larger. Now, think bigger. Much bigger. Imagine the vastness of the universe stretching out in all directions, filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies. The universe is so immense that it's almost beyond our comprehension. That fist you're making, it blocks out billions of galaxies in the universe. Yes, billions. Each tiny speck of light you see in the night sky is a galaxy, and your fist can block out an unimaginable number of them. Each galaxy has billions of stars, and many of those stars probably have planets. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Just think about the sheer number of celestial bodies out there, each with its own unique characteristics and potential for life. It's humbling to realize how vast the universe is compared to our tiny selves, but it's also exciting. The more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. Who knows what else is out there waiting to be discovered? New planets, new stars, new galaxies, and perhaps even new forms of life. The possibilities are endless, and the quest for knowledge is never-ending. This fact underscores the sheer scale of the universe. It's a reminder that we are just a small part of something much larger, something that is constantly expanding and evolving. It's a powerful reminder that there's so much more to existence than our everyday lives. Our daily routines and struggles may seem significant, but in the grand scheme of things, they are just a tiny part of the bigger picture. It's a call to explore, to learn, and to never stop asking questions about the cosmos. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, and it's up to us to uncover them. So keep looking up at the night sky, keep wondering, and keep exploring. The universe is in your hand, and the possibilities are endless. Did you know that right now, there are more bacteria living in your gut than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy? It's a staggering thought, isn't it? These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, are so numerous that they outnumber the stars in our galaxy. It's true. These microscopic tenants outnumber our own cells and play a crucial role in our health. Imagine for every human cell in your body, there are about 10 bacterial cells. They help us digest food, produce vitamins, and even influence our mood. Without them, our digestive system would struggle to break down complex carbohydrates and fibers. They produce essential vitamins like B12 and K, which are vital for our blood and brain health. We often think of bacteria as harmful, but the vast majority are beneficial or harmless. In fact, only a small fraction of bacteria are pathogenic, meaning they can cause disease. The rest are either neutral or beneficial, forming a symbiotic relationship with us. They're essential for life as we know it, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. In the environment, bacteria decompose dead plants and animals, returning vital nutrients to the soil, which supports plant growth and in turn the entire food chain. The next time you're feeling small, remember the trillions of tiny helpers working hard inside you. These microscopic allies are constantly at work, ensuring our bodies function smoothly. They communicate with our immune system, help protect us from harmful invaders, and even play a role in regulating our metabolism and weight. Bacteria are not just confined to our guts, they are everywhere, in the soil, in the water, and even in the air we breathe. They are incredibly adaptable and can survive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth, from hot springs to deep-sea vents. Scientists are continually discovering new ways in which bacteria benefit us and the planet. Advances in microbiology and biotechnology are harnessing the power of bacteria for everything from cleaning up oil spills to producing biofuels and new medicines. So, how can we take care of these tiny tenants? A healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet rich in fiber, regular exercise, and avoiding unnecessary antibiotics, can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics and prebiotics are also beneficial in supporting the growth of good bacteria. Embrace the idea that we live in harmony with these microorganisms. They are not just passengers in our bodies, but active participants in our well-being. By understanding and appreciating their role, we can make better choices for our health and the health of our planet. So, the next time you think about bacteria, remember their big impact. These tiny tenants are truly remarkable, and their presence is a testament to the intricate and interconnected nature of life itself. Imagine you could travel at the speed of light. You could circle the Earth 7.5 times in 1 second. That's incredibly fast, and it's the fastest anything can travel in the universe. Einstein figured this out with his theory of relativity. This cosmic speed limit has profound implications. It means that we can never truly experience events as they happen in real time across vast distances. The light from distant stars takes years, centuries, or even millennia to reach us, so we're seeing them as they were in the past. In the quantum world, things get really weird. Particles like electrons can be in multiple places at once. It's called superposition. Even weirder, we can teleport information instantly using a spooky phenomenon called quantum entanglement. Imagine two particles linked together. You change one, and the other changes instantly, no matter how far apart they are. This isn't science fiction, it's real. Scientists are still figuring out how to teleport large objects, but the possibilities are mind-boggling. Section 5. The Earth, a giant magnet. Have you ever stopped to think about the invisible forces that shape our world? One of the most fascinating is Earth's magnetic field. Ever wonder why compasses point north? It's not just a coincidence or a simple trick of nature. There's a powerful force at play. It's because Earth is a giant magnet. This magnetic force is what guides the needle of a compass, always pointing it towards the magnetic north. Deep within our planet, molten iron in Earth's outer core generates a magnetic field that surrounds our planet. This process is known as the geodynamo. This magnetic field acts as a shield, protecting us from harmful radiation from the sun. It's like an invisible force field that keeps us safe. Without Earth's magnetic field, life as we know it wouldn't exist. The magnetic field is crucial for maintaining the conditions necessary for life. The solar wind, a stream of charged particles from the sun, would strip away our atmosphere and bombard the surface with radiation. This would make Earth a hostile place for life. Our magnetic field is a silent guardian, keeping us safe from harm. It deflects the solar wind and prevents it from eroding our atmosphere, ensuring that our planet remains habitable. Throughout history, humans have relied on Earth's magnetic field for navigation. Early explorers used compasses to find their way across uncharted seas and lands. Today, even with advanced technology like GPS, the magnetic field still plays a vital role in navigation and communication systems. Scientists continue to study Earth's magnetic field to understand its complexities and how it changes over time. This research helps us prepare for potential changes that could impact our technology and way of life. Did you know that Earth's magnetic poles have shifted and even reversed many times throughout history? These geomagnetic reversals are a natural part of our planet's dynamic system. The next time you see the northern lights, remember that they are a beautiful display of our planet's magnetic field in action. This natural wonder is a reminder of the powerful forces that protect and sustain life on Earth. So, the next time you use a compass or marvel at the auroras, take a moment to appreciate the giant magnet that is our Earth. It's more than just a navigational aid, it's a vital shield that makes life possible. Our planet's magnetic field is a testament to the incredible forces at work beneath our feet, shaping our world and safeguarding our future. Earth, a giant magnet silently working to protect and guide us every day. Time travel isn't just for science fiction. We're all time travelers, but at a very slow pace. Einstein's theory of relativity says that time is relative and can be affected by gravity and speed. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you compared to someone standing still. This effect is tiny in everyday life, but it's noticeable with precise atomic clocks. Satellites orbiting Earth experience time slightly differently than us on the ground. Their clocks have to be adjusted to account for this time dilation, or GPS wouldn't work. That gold ring on your finger or necklace around your neck, it's a souvenir from space. Gold, along with other heavy elements, wasn't formed during the Big Bang. It was created in the intense heat and pressure of supernova explosions, the death throes of massive stars. These cosmic explosions scattered heavy elements like gold throughout the universe. Eventually, some of this material coalesced to form our solar system, including Earth and everything on it. So the next time you admire a piece of gold, remember its explosive origins. Water covers over 70% of Earth's surface, but did you know that only a tiny fraction of it is drinkable? Over 96% of Earth's water is saltwater in the oceans. Of the remaining fresh water, most is locked away in glaciers and ice caps. This scarcity of fresh water is a growing concern as the global population increases and climate change intensifies droughts. It highlights the importance of conserving water and finding sustainable solutions to meet our growing needs. Remember those supernova explosions that created gold? Well, they also created everything else around us, including us. The carbon in our bodies, the oxygen we breathe, the iron in our blood, it all came from the hearts of dying stars. We are literally made of star stuff. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the fiery furnaces of stars billions of years ago. This profound connection to the cosmos reminds us that we are not separate from the universe. We are an integral part of it.